Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be drawing Tech from the Bad Batch, and his armor is pretty much the same, so depending on how you want to color it, it could be Tech from Season 1 or 2. Completely up to you. Jinja with the rhythm today. It's been a while since we've done a drawing tutorial. I humbly apologize for that, but thank you for being patient and sticking with me and the channel. I hope you guys enjoy this one, and yeah, let's get sketching. Alright, so first things first, we're going to go ahead and start with Tech's helmet. The very first part that we're going to draw is going to be the mouthpiece, and then from there we're going to work our way to the cheeks, the little cylinder, circle, jowl parts, I don't even know what they're called, and then we'll work our way to the goggles and eyes.
You're a good soldier, Rex.
Now when it comes to the eyes, I know that they can be tricky, but I wanted to achieve a more animated style look here, so I went really simple with them and just kind of drawing the top of the eyelid, a little glare, the pupil, the iris, and then the bottom of the eyelid. Almost shaped like a trapezoid, if you want to think about it like that. Okay, so we finished most of the helmet here, and now we're going to work our way to the top of the helmet, which is going to be the visor, the earpieces, as well as the little antennas coming off the sides. So pretty simple stuff from here, just basic shapes, shouldn't be too hard.
You're a good soldier, Rex. You're a good soldier, Rex.
So now that we've finished the helmet, we're going to work our way to the rest of the body. We're going to be starting with his chest plate, which has a slightly unique design. It's similar to the other Bad Batch members, but not exactly the same. But again, pretty simple geometric shapes. He's got these leather straps that come down, as well as these little canisters that go along the shoulders. So we're going to use those to kind of gauge the arc of his anatomy, being his shoulders, and then working your way to the chest. From here, we're going to start working on the upper arm of Tech. We're going to start with the big shoulder pad that he has, and then work our way to the bicep and forearm. And the pose that we're going to have Tech in for this video is going to be him holding his data pad and kind of looking up like maybe Hunter or I don't know, wreckers talking to him and he's correcting them on some information or something like that. So I wanted to try to capture something that was very tech, and I feel like him always being on the data pad would have been the perfect pose for the video. So that's what I chose.
You're a good soldier, Rex.
Now starting on the data pad here, I couldn't really find a super clear image of it, so I just kind of went off of memory and a rough reference photo that I had online, so not super accurate. If you wanted to really deep dive and get a really accurate looking data pad, you could do that, but you're not going to find it here.
You're a good soldier, Rex.
Now that we've mostly finished the arms, we're going to work our way back to the body. So we're going to add some of the wrinkles on the neck fabric, as well as doing some more details on the chest plate and giving it some wear and tear. For the other arm, we're just going to add that shoulder plate as well as the bicep armor, and it's just going to be falling behind the chest. I didn't want to get super detailed with it, so I just wanted to make it look like his arms were tucked into his torso.
You're a good soldier, Rex.
And now that we finished the main body for Tech, we're going to be adding on the backpack. The last steps of this tutorial is going to be to add the little antenna coming off of the back of the backpack, as well as to sign your artwork. Never forget to sign your artwork. So guys, that is going to wrap up the tutorial for Tech today. I hope you guys learned something along the way, and let me know in the comments section down below what character you want to see next. Maybe something Ahsoka themed, since we're right around the corner. I confess, I'm a little biased, but I would love to do some Ahsoka stuff. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and week, and as always, may the Force be with you.